Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet tutor. In this video we are going to learn about another notation of the colors. We have been discussing CSS colors from the previous episodes. In this episode we are going to learn HSL way of representing colors in CSS. So in the previous videos we have discussed about RGB way of giving some notation of colors and hexagonal way we have discussed, and in this video we will see HSL way of giving some colors. So HSL is nothing but it is hue, saturation and lightness. Hue is, we can see 0 to 360, these hue value in the place 0 is red and 120 is green, 240 is blue. So saturation we can say in terms of percentage. So 0% is a shade of gray, 100% is full color. So lightness is 0% is black, 50% is gray, 100% is white. By adjusting these values we can achieve some colors in the CSS. So let's see in the real-time example we have been discussed in the before. So hexagonal way we have implemented in the previous example. So if you didn't watch, please watch the previous episode and come back to this video so that it will be helpful for you to understand more easily. So here I am giving actually in the HTML page I have given some headings. So in the div section we have given h1 heading with the color black, white, gray, red, green, blue. So here I am adjusting the color with the HSL. So let's see. To achieve some black color, let's see how it works with HSL. HSL, see here, you can see here. So this is HSL, you can IntelliSense is showing us. So click enter. HSL. So in the HSL form, what is the we have to give hue place we have to give from 0 to 360. So 0 to 360 we have to give, we can mention any value from 0 to 360. 0 I have mentioned, put comma, and after that saturation value is in the, we have to give in terms of percentage. So 0% is shade of gray, 100% is full color. So let's give 0%, and after that it is lightness, 0% is black, I am giving 0%. So we have achieved black color. So heading 1 is with black color, so I have achieved a black color with HSL way of giving notation. So another value I am giving. So our target is white, so you have to adjust white using the decimals 0, and I am giving, just try 0% and 100% I am giving, because I am giving 100% for lightness because 100% is white. And here the third heading is heading with color gray. So in order to achieve gray color, just type HSL and 0, and here I'm giving 50% and I'm giving here 50%. We got some different color, so I'm adjusting here 0%. So it is somewhat gray color. So here saturation is 0% is shade of gray, so 0% I have given in order to achieve gray color. Lightness 50% is gray, so I am giving 50%. And here what is the next one, another gray, so try to achieve another shade of gray color for H4 heading. HSL 0, 0%, and I'm giving some 40% maybe. See, this is another shade, this is another shade of gray color. So here I want, what is the next fifth heading color? Heading with color red. I want to achieve some red color here. So what's my requirement is red color. So 0 comma, so I'm giving 100%, and here I'm giving 50%. See, here we got a red color. Intelligence is showing red color. If you see here clearly, intelligence is showing red color. So actually this is a hexagonal way of implementing showing color, which we have discussed in the previous episode. So I'm deleting that and replacing with HSL. So what is I'm sorry, just a minute. What is the sixth heading? Heading with color green. So in order to achieve green, I'm giving some value. Hue value can be 0 to 360, so I'm giving 120. So what is the next? Saturation value. Saturation value I'm giving 100%, and here 50%. So we have achieved green color for its sixth heading. And what is the seventh heading? Target is blue, requirement is blue. So I'm giving, so what's the blue? I'm giving some 240 here, 100% here, and 50% here. So we have achieved blue color. So you can achieve the colors in the form of HCL way. You can be write in the this form. Save all these changes and try to run this application. I'm running this application. So it is, we got this output as we expected. Color with black, white, gray, red, green, blue. As here we have seen, we have given black, white, gray, red, green, blue. So this is how we can achieve the colors by using HSL. So my requirement, another one is, I have to give some opacity for red color, green color, blue color. My client said this red color I want to somewhat decrease, maybe for I want some transparent, or I want some transparent color. I don't want this brightness, I don't want this much brightness. Then what we have to do, we can give some opacity here. So how to achieve that? Just see, I'm stopping the application and just I'm giving for red color. HSLA means, actually the slide if you observe, in the HSL and HSLA, A is nothing but, in RGBA we have discussed about opacity. In the similar way, in HCL also we are having HSLA. A is nothing but, in RGB we have discussed here, alpha is nothing but, A is nothing but opacity. In the similar way, HSL, in the HSL some A value is there, which is nothing but alpha. Alpha is nothing but opacity. So this opacity will range from 0 to 1, So I'm giving 50% transparency, so I'm giving 0.5 or maybe zero point 0.7. Yes, so here I want 0.2 and here I want 0.1 or 0.9, 0.8, like that. According to the client requirement you can adjust the opacity also. So now run and see the output for red, green and blue. See here, green is not we have decreased brightness for red, green and blue. So this is how opacity can be achieved in HSL format. So thanks for watching. Do share with your friends who are learning new. So thank you very much.